Hi, this is MedHack Kodi presents how to install the Fusion repo and how to install and run the config wizard. There will be other videos later on in the series which you will be able to install the Xunity and the super repos, but for now we'll just concentrate on installing Fusion and then running the config wizard. So what you'll need to do is once the Kodi is open, you'll scroll over to System and then the File Manager. Once File Manager is highlighted, select it, and a new pop-up opens and it's the file manager. From down here, you'll go hit down and add a source. Notice how there's a none bar that's highlighted in blue. This is where you'll enter the URL. So make sure it's highlighted, select it, and type in the following URL: http://fusion TV add-ons ag /. Once this is entered, you'll hit done. Scroll down and you need to name your URL. For this one, we'll call it Fusion, just like below. Once you have entered it, select Done. Scroll down to hit OK and back out of the file manager. Now with the URL added, we'll go down to System, down to Settings, scroll down to Add-ons, select it, go to Install from zip file, select it, select Fusion, select Start here. Now go down to Video Hub Wizard, select it, and it will start downloading. Once it's downloaded and installed, a pop-up comes up the bottom right hand corner, says Config Wizard, add-on enabled. Go back out, go to Programs, and select the Config Wizard. Now depending upon your OS, this is one you need to select for installing the Config Wizard. So if you have a Windows or a Mac or an Android TV, you could select those. A Fire TV or a Fire Stick, you select the Fire TV option. But for this one, since I got a Chrome box with OpenELEC, we'll select Linux. So it's a Linux distribution. Once you select it, a pop-up comes up, hit yes to customize your add-on selection, and a new pop-up comes up and Config Wizard is downloading. Once it downloads, it will go to extract. Finish downloading. Now it'll extract the zip. So it's customizing all your add-ons. So once it's done, right here says success, hit OK and reboot your system.